Have you ever wondered what sparked the transition from hunting-gathering to farming? Well, let's take a journey back in time to an era when humans relied solely on nature's bounty for survival. Our ancestors led a nomadic life, moving from place to place in search of food. Then, around 10,000 years before Christ, something remarkable happened. Humans began to experiment with the domestication of plants and animals. This marked the first signs of agricultural practices, a significant shift from the erstwhile hunter-gatherer lifestyle. These first whispers of change were heard loudest in regions such as the Fertile Crescent, a bow-shaped region in the Middle East, often considered the cradle of civilization. Here our ancestors began to cultivate crops such as wheat, barley, and legumes, forever changing the relationship between humans and nature. And so began the era of agriculture, a revolution that would forever change the course of human history. So, how did the shift from hunting-gathering to farming impact our ancestors and their societies? Let's take a look. The agricultural revolution significantly changed the way humans lived. Instead of roaming around in search of food, our ancestors began to settle down in one place. They built homes, started families, and formed communities. This shift to agriculture led to the establishment of permanent settlements. With a steady supply of food, populations began to grow. Farming not only provided sustenance but also allowed for the storage of surplus food. This surplus became a form of wealth, leading to the development of social hierarchies. Individuals or groups who controlled the surplus had more power and influence. Moreover, the agricultural revolution sparked a change in labor distribution. With more food availability, some individuals were freed up to pursue other roles, leading to the emergence of artisans, warriors, and leaders. With agriculture, societies became larger, more complex, and more diverse than ever before. What is the legacy of the agricultural revolution, and how does it continue to shape our world today? The agricultural revolution wasn't just about cultivating crops and domesticating animals. It was a transformative era that reshaped the very fabric of human societies. It was an epoch that paved the way for monumental advancements in technology. It was during this time that the seeds of innovation were sown, leading to the creation of tools, machinery, and methods that would forever change the way we interact with the world. This transformative period also witnessed the development of written language, a fundamental component of our modern civilization. The art of writing, born out of necessity for record-keeping and communication in burgeoning societies, played a crucial role in the evolution of human culture and intellect. The agricultural revolution also left an indelible mark on our environment. It set the stage for future technological revolutions, each leaving its own imprint on the planet. As we can see, the agricultural revolution was not just about farming. It was a pivotal turning point that set humanity on a path towards the complex societies we live in today.